Quick sound check. Before we go for our drive today, I'm gonna let you guys hear how this car sounds at cold start. So we have the HPS intake on here, primary and secondary pipes, and she sounds like a totally different beast. Listen to this. That's crazy. And that's just with the cat deletes on the secondaries, high flow cats, and then the HPS intake. Wow. Now, that clicking that you guys hear, that's just like your typical GDI engine. They just make that noise, so don't worry if it's kind of like loud. That's just typical. Let's give it a few revs. I know it's cold, I'm not gonna redline it or anything. If you guys have never seen the interior of this car, it's absolutely amazing. Look at this. So let's just jump in here real quick, clean up my slides. Listen to this. That's crazy. That sounds so good. Let's go for a quick drive. Listen to this. That sounds so good. That's just downpipe and intake. Let me close the windows so you guys can hear with the windows closed, because sometimes it's annoying. Here we go. So that's like inside the car, windows closed and everything.